Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Plaid to link bank accounts, full guide step by step clearly. To set up using Plaid to link bank accounts, start by visiting the official Plaid website. Sign up for a Plaid account if you don't already have one. After creating your account, log in to the Plaid dashboard. Next, navigate to the API section within the dashboard. Here, you will find the option to create a new app. Choose a name and description for your app, then click on Create App. Once the app is created, you will receive a client ID and a secret key. Keep these credentials safe, as you will need them later. Now, open your development environment to begin integrating Plaid into your application. Install the Plaid client library compatible with your programming language. For example, if using JavaScript, run the appropriate npm command. After installation, import the Plaid client into your project. Initialize the Plaid client using your client ID and secret key. To link bank accounts, you need to set up a token exchange. This requires users to provide their bank login credentials through a secure interface. Create a front-end component that prompts users to connect their bank accounts. Utilize Plaid's link, a front-end module provided by Plaid. Integrate Plaid link by adding the required JavaScript code to your site. When the user initiates the connection, the link module will open. Users will select their bank from a list or enter credentials directly. Once users authenticate their bank accounts, Plaid will return a public token. Send this public token to your server-side application. On the server side, exchange the public token for an access token via Plaid's API. Use this access token to make secure requests and retrieve user account information. Be sure to store the access token securely for future API requests. Now you can start fetching transaction data and account details using Plaid's endpoints. Regularly update your implementation based on Plaid's latest documentation. Monitor for any changes to your app's compliance and security requirements. Lastly, ensure you provide users with clear information about data usage and privacy policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.